pussies. Called the first one savage, more my mood, that's what it was.